Molweni Bafundi, video 8 of the My Work series, and here we are now going to look at working in retail, and we read the following extract. Ndingumncedisi, I am an assistant, and here's a picture of the assistant. Ndingumncedisi evenkileni enkulu, I am an assistant in a big shop. Umsebenzi my work, my job. Kukunceda, take note of how we state what an action is. Kuku plus the action. Kukunceda abantu, to help people. Abangenayo, who come in, alternatively abathengi. Xa befuna into ethile, we are by now accustomed to this xa be and not xa ba. Xa befuna into ethile, when they want anything or a certain item, ndiyababonisa, I show them. Ndiyakwazi, I know how to. Nokuyisebenzisa ithili, I know how to also use or operate the till. Xa befuna, when they want, ukubhatala or ukuhlawula. Notice the two verbs in isiXhosa to pay. Bhatala from the Afrikaans and pure isiXhosa hlawula. And in the following little block, take note of the double use of abanye, abanye. In the translation, abanye, some, babhatala ngekeshi, some pay cash. Abanye and others ngekhadi, by card. Ndiyawuthanda, I like it, namely umsebenzi my job. Ulula, it is easy. Eyona nto inzima, the most difficult thing. This is your superlative absolute pronoun. Eyona nto inzima kukuma, and here we are identifying an action once more. The most difficult thing is standing ngemilenze, on your legs, literally, imini yonke, the whole day. Imilenze yam iyadinwa, my legs get tired. Kodwa, but asinakunceda, we cannot help it, we cannot do otherwise, we have no alternative. Asinakunceda. Kufuneka siphangele sonke, we all have to earn a living. Again, we are now familiar with the e ending following the use of kufuneka. Sibenako, and we are also now becoming accustomed to the e ending when we express and with verbs. And be able. Ukuhlawula, to pay. Amatyala ethu, our accounts, our debts. Ekupheleni kwenyanga. Now let us translate the following items of vocabulary, and we ask ourselves, what is an assistant? Umncedisi, a certain thing, a certain item. Into ethile, two verbs to pay, two verb stems. The borrowed one, bhatala, and the pure isiXhosa, hlawula. How do we express some or others with reference to people? We use or say abanye, abanye. A card, with had that a few times now too. The whole day, the expression the whole day is imini yonke, my legs. Imilenze yam, our debts. What are debts? Debts are amatyala, and ours etu. Amatyala etu. To become tired. Dinwa, and where we have the dash, that will refer to whatever becomes tired. In this case it was imilenze, and we therefore had I ya dinwa. All of us, Tina sonke, at the end of the month. Ekupheleni kwenyanga, a useful phrase to remember. And be able to pay. And be. The verb to be is ba, but if it is going to be and, it would become be. And let's say, and for us to be able, it would therefore be sibe nako. And for us to be able to pay, ukuhlawula. I show them. I them show. Ndiyababonisa. The most difficult thing, eyona nto, the main thing that is difficult, the most difficult thing. Good. That completes this first section of retail work. We will be looking at a dialogue between assistant and customer in the next video. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi. Sobonana.